Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Samira. Please feel free to subscribe, like and comment. You can also turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new tutorial like this. You'll be the first to see it and watch it. On today's tutorial, I will be teaching you guys how to make a unique A-line long free dress, and I'm going to use 2 yards of this floral material to achieve this style, this unique style that we are making. So if you are interested to know how to make this type of style, keep on watching it to the end, and you can also check my other tutorial to see other tutorials that I have on my channel. So let's get started now with our tutorial for today, guys. So this is the floral material that we are using for today's tutorials. You can see the way I folded it. So I'm going to cut the front piece first. So I'm going to draw a straight line first. Okay, so I'll draw a straight line for us to start our measurements, and that's where we are going to place our tape rule. It's going to guide us on how to take the length of our dress that we are making today. So you place your tape rule on the straight line. So I'm taking the length of my measurement of my length, which is 50 inch. So I'm going to mark 50 inch on both sides. That is for the length of our dress that we are making today. Okay, so that's the 50 inch that I'm taking for the length of our dress for today. Right, so my shoulder is by 7.5 inch. Okay, so I'm marking 7.5 inch for my shoulder. So I will mark 7.5 inch for my shoulder. Okay, so I'll just connect the marks together. All right, so that's the front piece that we are making now. Okay, so I'll just draw a line there too. My neckline is by 4 inch. The depth is by 3 inch. That is, the depth of my neckline is by 3 inch, and is a round neck. So I'll just give a curve for the round neck. Okay, so I'll use 1 inch to slope my shoulder. All right, so I'll just slope it now. I'll give my half inch by 14.5 inch. Okay, so my half length is by 14.5 inch. So that's the 14.5 inch that I'm marking. So I'll draw a straight line. I'm going by 36 inch for my bust. So I'll add 1 inch for my sewing allowance. Okay, so I'll curve my armhole. My waist is by 34 inch. Okay, then I also add 1 inch for my sewing allowance. I hope you are following up, guys. So I'll connect all the marks together from my bust to my waist. Okay, you can see the style that we are making today is a unique style, very simple to cut and sew on your own. All right, so please keep on watching this tutorial down to the end so that you can see the outcome of the style that we are making today. Don't forget, we are using the 2 yards of this floral material to achieve this style that we are making, and we are making the front piece first. So I'll just take it down, I'll take it out so that it can flare out. Okay, so my camera is not showing that part. So now I want to start the cutting, so I'll cut from the neckline. Alright, so please you can just pause now to click the red button under my video to subscribe now. You can like, comment, let us know what you think about our tutorial. Alright, if you have any question you can also ask us so that we can reply you. We are here for you. So please support this channel, guys. Let this channel to grow. We can grow it together. All you need to do, like this particular tutorial, please help me to watch it down to the end, because you are going to learn a lot from it by watching it down to the end, and it's another way for you to support this channel to grow. I really want this channel to grow this year. Alright, you can do that together. So please keep on watching so that you can see this unique style that we are making today. Alright, so we are using 2 yards of this floral material to achieve this style, and we are cutting the front piece first. Okay, so don't forget you are making a unique A-line long free dress. Alright, and this is the front piece that we are making. Now we are going to cut the back piece. This is the back piece, so we are using the front piece to cut the back piece. So what I will do now, so the depth of my back neckline is by 2 inch. It's a round neck at the back. Alright, so we are using the front piece to cut the back piece. So after that we are going to cut the sleeve. It's going to have a small puff sleeve on it. It's a unique style that we are making today, and we are using 2 yards of this floral material. You can see how colorful it is, very beautiful, and it's going to come out lovely today. Okay, so guys, keep on watching so that you can see the style that we are making today, the outcome of it. So now the next step is for us to cut our sleeve. Alright, we are cutting the 2 sleeves together. Okay, so the width is by 10 inch. Okay, alright, while the length is by 19 inch. Alright, so while my armhole is by 1.5 inch, that is the armhole. So I'm adding 1.5 inch for the armhole. What I'll do now, I'll connect all the marks together. So after connecting them together, we'll cut it, then we'll run a stitch on it, because we are going to use our elastic to pass through it, then to make it to puff out. So I'm going to also teach you guys how to go about it. You can see how simple it is for you to cut this unique A-line dress. It's a long one, very simple to cut. All you need to do is for you to follow the way that we are cutting it today, and you're going to cut your own by yourself. Alright, so that's the essence of making this tutorial. My joy is to hear that you are able to cut your own after watching these tutorials that we are showing you guys every day. So please keep on watching to see the outcome. So this is the sleeve now. We have run a stitch on the edge of it, so we are using an elastic and our safety pin to pass through it to make it to puff out. So after that we are going to attach it to the long A-line dress that we are making today. So this is the sleeve now, so we are going to attach it now. You see the outcome. So this is the lovely dress that we just made now. Don't forget we made use of 2 yards of floral material to achieve this style. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and I want you to keep a date with us. Our long videos are always on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. You can keep a date with us, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you so much for always watching my tutorial. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Adele, thank you so much. Please, you can also check my other tutorial that I have on my channel now.